Today we will perform the hardness test. So this instrument, by using this instrument, we can perform Rockwell hardness test as well as Brinell hardness test. So first we perform this Rockwell hardness test. So the very first step of this test is to set the dial gauge. This dial gauge can rotate, as we can see. This can rotate. So this set, there is a set is written. This set should be at the top, and this should be perpendicular to this surface. So first this set the dial gauge, and this set should be at the top. Next step is to choose the specimen. So our specimen is a type of malleable iron. So here a table is given. So we can see a table is given. So by using this table we can choose the scale number. So since we have chosen the specimen is malleable iron, so our scale number should be 3, and the scale type is C, the indenter type is diamond, and the load is 150, and the dial gauge which we will from which we will take the reading is black. So here we can see in the dial gauge there is a black number readings and there is a red reading. But since in our table we have to choose this black reading. Now this place this specimen at this surface. Now we will give this minor load of 10 kgf. So the minor load can be given by using this hand wheel or this elevator. We will elevate this surface by using this hand wheel, and we will give the load as 10 kgf. So the load of 10 kgf can be determined by this dial gauge. We will elevate this surface till the small needle will come at 3. So we will keep elevating this surface. We will keep elevating this surface or specimen till the small needle will come at 3. So when it comes at 3, we will stop. So now this comes at 3. So this is the minor load of 10 kgf. Now we will give the measure load. So as per this table, the measure load was 150. As per this table, for our specimen we have chosen malleable iron. So the load is 150 kgf. So we can give 150 by using this load selector. So load is now 150. Now the load the specimen, the measure load is given by using this gear load. Now here we can see this dial gauge is this needle is rotating, and we will give the measure load till 30 seconds. For harder material this 30 seconds, and for softer material this is 20 seconds. So either we will wait for 30 seconds, or we will wait for this bigger needle to stop, whichever is earlier. So wait for 30 seconds. After here we can see this big needle is moving, and it is moving slowly, and it is this is due to plastic deformation. So when this big needle will stop, then we can unload the specimen, or we can wait for 30 seconds. So after waiting for 30 seconds, we will unload the specimen. So when we just moving this gear, when we unload this specimen, this dial gauge reading will come at some position. So we can just unload this specimen, and we can see there will be deviation of bigger needle. So after unloading, this needle will come here. So since in the table we have to use the black dial reading, so now we can see after unloading the specimen, this black needle comes here at this is 90, so 95, 96, 97. So we can say our this Rockwell hardness number is 97. So for this test, the Rockwell hardness number is 97. Now just unload this specimen, and we can remove this specimen. So for this test, the Rockwell hardness number comes as 97. Thank you.